Porsche today announced two new variants within the mid-engine 718 model lineup, the new Porsche 718 Boxster Style Edition and 718 Cayman Style Edition. These new models will be initially offered in Europe in early 2023 with global availability to follow. Underlining Porsche's commitment to ever more creative and vibrant bespoke finishes, the new models are characterized by special colors and matching contrasting elements. With the Style Edition, Porsche adds model variants for those who seek to stand out. This is particularly evident with the new color Ruby Star Neo, which is a modern interpretation of the Ruby Star color used on the 964 Carrera RS. Exclusive details, enhanced standard equipment. Regardless of the exterior color, the new Style Edition variants are immediately recognizable. They are fitted as standard equipment with 20-inch 718 Spyder wheels in high-gloss black that carry colored Porsche crests. Furthermore, the Style Edition stands out thanks to sport tailpipes in black and Porsche script on the rear in high-gloss silver. The 718 Boxster Style Edition also features Boxster model designations embossed into the convertible top above the side windows. The 718 Boxster and Cayman models are already well equipped with standard features including bi-xenon headlights including Porsche Dynamic Light System, PDLS, with integrated 4-point LED daytime running lights, sport exhaust, park assist front and rear including rear view camera, Apple CarPlay, cruise control, automatically dimming interior and exterior mirrors with integrated rain sensor, heated front seats and 2-zone automatic climate control. The new Style Edition models also gain a heated, leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, floor mats with contrasting stitching in chalk, a black leather interior with contrasting stitching in chalk, headrests embossed with the Porsche crest and illuminated stainless steel door sill guards as standard equipment. Two optional 718 Style Edition contrast packages are also available to customers, one in black and one in white. Both include decorative stripes on the hood and Porsche logos on the side, while the wheels and rear model designation are painted in black or high-gloss white.